be a great movie, alright.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's just start.
Oh, you've got a stick.
No, in the front, that's it.
Has it got a seatbelt?
No seatbelt, it's just a lap bar that's going to crush Daddy. Yeah, wait.
Let's see. Okay. Is it look like bunkers?
Whoa, look, we're going through the streets at night time. We're on the rooftops.
Does it look like
Vous voilà. Venez, venez, venez. Suivez-moi, je vous prie. The chef Rabbi is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Soyez en ami. Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it!
Putting the dishes out. Big oranges there. Oranges, sausages. Wow, look, there's rats at the bottom.
And a giant one.
Oh, giant fish. What's that? We're under the oven.
What are you doing? Que manigacez-vous?
Whoa! Jack, look up. It's a grill. There's fire, look.
It goes in the restaurant wheel.
There's a giant wheel next to you. Oh, where are we going? We're in the walls. Whoa!
Come on! Rabbi's kitchen's just around the corner.
Oui, oui, on est presque arrivé à la cuisine de Rémi. 3 entrecôtes pour la douce, une à point, une bleue et une saignante. Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la 4.
Look at the bottle.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Rémi. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Si vous restez à la traîne, je ne verrai jamais ce qui vous
Very nice.
The 2D makes it better for the video, but it's not so good for us, is it? parking now. Look, where are we going to park? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That don't seem right, does it? That's mental.
You like that?
Yay!
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's nice for him, isn't it? Say again?
Quite cute.
I know.
What's that? Do this.
So it doesn't go over it. Oh, look, I can see lightning.
Relax.
You see him? What's that? Oh, look at it.
I'm logging out. Listen, baby. I must be a dream.
It's just pretend.
I think it was the real one.
Ah, nous y voilà.
Bien, nous allons marquer un court arrêt dans le canyon. Veuillez rester assis et garder les mains et les bras à l'intérieur du train. Merci.
All right, everybody. We're making a short scheduled stop here in the canyon. Please remember.
That was incredible. Tu es très fort.
Ma cousine a dit que Martin avait envoyé sa
Oh my god!
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
That was like
J'ai des photos des œuvres d'art de Martin.
He liked it.
Martin a sculpté.
La dernière création. La tour Dieu.
Zoom in a bit.
Totally wanted to drive, man.